Alright, I haven't done Foods Close Up 1 yet. I did do Foods Close Up 2, but now we are on Foods Close Up 3. Can you name the foods by their close up picture? Hopefully, I can. This is the third one, so it might be difficult. Who knows? First one is chocolate. Then we have a lemon, I think. Are those ones are coffee beans specifically? What is that? That's a carrot. Avocado. Avocado. Okay. What is that? Is that an onion? Uh-oh. Okay, that's pizza, cupcake, sugar cubes, raspberry, egg, banana, olive, caviar? I know, or eggs. Ah, and cheese. Um, are the what are they called? I thought it was caviar. Do I not know how to spell caviar? Oh no. Pearls or something maybe? Pearls, green. I don't think I'm getting this. What's the other one? Is that not an onion? There's no way this is how I lose. Um, Garlic? Oh my goodness. I was just thinking. It's not onion, so it has to be something else. Now, what is that? Wait a minute. There we go. I beat it. I thought it was like the just the little seeds and not like the actual thing around it. That's my fault, honestly. But yeah, can I name foods close up for the third time? Or in reality, it's the second time. It's the time I'm recording this because of the challenge. Answer yes. Yes, I can. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment down below if you want any more specific videos. Thank you and goodbye.